Getting blocked hurts, but here's how to handle it with grace. First, confirm it. Check other platforms or try a quick call. If it goes straight to a number unavailable recording, you're likely blocked. But don't panic. They might just be taking a break. Next, breathe. Your first instinct is to demand answers, but wait at least 24 hours to cool down. If this was a casual online connection, let it go. Ghosting says more about their communication skills than your worth. If you had a fight, respect the space and give them a few weeks to simmer down. Avoid the urge to get revenge or show up at their door. That only ruins the chance of reconnecting later. If you need closure for a long-term bond, ask a mutual friend to check in or send one single letter. Finally, focus on you. Put their photos in a box. Take a social media break and hang out with people who value you. If they want to be in your life, they'll find a way back. Until then, keep moving forward.